Hello everyone. Today we will study the topic indicators. In this, first of all, we will come to know that what is indicators. Indicators are the substances which help us to identify whether the substance is an acid or a base. The substance which help us to identify the acid or a base. Um, Acid or a base means that the indicators are the substance which help us to identify whether the substance we are testing is an acid or whether the substance we are testing is a base. Because the substance we use indicators because the substance which are testing that we can't taste it or we can't use another. So we have with indicators. On indicators are of two types on the basis of function. There are two types of indicators. Acid base indicator. And another type is olfactory indicators. Then on the basis of origin. There are two types. First is natural indicator. And another one is synthetic indicator. And yet one another indicator is there, that is called universal indicator. First of all, we will study about functions. Functions, there are two types: acid base indicator, olfactory indicator. First of all, we study of acid base indicator. What are acid base indicators? Acid base indicators are the indicators which indicate smell changing their color. For example, that indicates by changing their color. For example, we can take the litmus. Litmus, there are two types of litmus. Litmus is obtained, litmus paper. Its natural color is purple and it is of two colors, that is blue color and red color. In acid, it changes to blue. In acid it changes to red, and in basic it changes to blue. And then we can study about then we can take another example, methyl orange. Methyl orange natural color is orange, but when it is put into acid it changes to red, and when it is put into base it changes to yellow. Then we can take another, that is called phenolphthalein. It is colorless, and in acid it remains colorless only. But in base it changes to pink. We have cleared this, the acid and base and indicators. Now we will study about olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are the indicators which indicates by changing their smell. For example, we can take example onion extract. In acid its smell cannot be detected. Sorry, in acid its smell cannot be detected, but in base its smell is vanished. Like this also in vanilla extract. Here is it also same that in acid its smell cannot be detected and base its smell is completely vanished. Now we have cleared this topic. Now we will study about on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, there are two types of indicators: natural indicators and synthetic indicators. First, we will study about natural indicators. Natural indicators are the indicators which obtained naturally by our nature. For example, we can take litmus, turmeric. Litmus is also natural indicators which is obtained from the lichen plant. We can take another turmeric, etc. Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage extract, rose petals, etc. And then in synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators which are made in laboratory or by chemical. We can take example like methyl orange and phenolphthalein. We have completed this topic with natural indicators and synthetic. Natural indicators are the indicators which are obtained naturally. For example, litmus, turmeric, red cabbage extract, rose petals. And synthetic indicators are the indicators which are made in laboratory or by chemical. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein examples. Now we will study about universal indicators. Universal indicators are the indicators which are made by several indicators, mixing of several indicators. Universal indicator, we understood that it is a mixing of several indicators. The other common indicators like litmus, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, which tell us only about the indicators whether it is acid or basic. But universal indicator tells us that whether the substance we are testing is strong acid, weak acid, a strong base or weak base. They have a pH. They have a different universal indicators have a different colors which can tell us that the indicator we are testing is a strong acid, weak acid, strong base or weak base. First of all, we we already know that the pH, this is a pH and it has a numbers from 0 to 14. From 0 it is red in color. 1 and 2, sorry, it is dark red. 1 and 2 they are red in color. And third one is orange red. Fourth one is completely orange. Fifth one is orange yellow. Sixth one is orange greenish yellow. Seventh one is green. Eighth one is greenish blue. And ninth one is blue. 10th one is navy blue. 11th one we can tell that it is purple. 12th one violet. Sorry, dark purple. 13th one we can tell that violet, it is violet. And 14th one is also violet. We can understand that these are the colors. In dark red it is very, from 1 to 5 it changes to very strong acid, and 5th to 7 fifth and is, sorry, 1 2 3 it is very strong, 4th 5th 6th it is weak, and 7th is a natural, and 8 9 10th these are weak bases, and 10 11 12 13 and 14 these are strong bases. We can take example water. When this pH scale is put into water, then it changes to green color, because water is a pure natural. And when it is put into universal indicator, then it is changes to green color. Thank you for watching this video, and I am thankful to Bharat sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.